last night. We hit the limiter, so somewhere in the valve train, probably threw a rocker on. So we're just gonna dig into it and see what we find. Just taking all the bits away from the valve cover here. See what we find. All right, got the valve cover off. First look, I see half a rocker. Good news. It's not completely shambled, because it did run, just not very well. There's another piece down there. Oh yeah, there's the culprit. I don't see the keepers. So I got some hunting to do, and hopefully I got what it takes to put it back together. See you later. Okay, so I got the piece out of there gently so it didn't fall down to there. I think I spotted, where is it now? Yeah, way down in there. I can see the keepers, but I can't get them with this super weak connector. Back to finding the right tool. In my buddy's garage, because I'm looking after his house. And I can't find anything. I am pulling the lifter out of the cavernous SR head. Anyone with an SR, I'm sure, has done this. With a screwdriver? Probably not. But that's all I got right now. And the other one is just in this other cavern. Nissan made some nice little pockets. Yeah, there's no way you're getting to see what's down there. I gotta squint to even get close. Goodness, that's in there good. Thanks for coming, man.
Of course, man. Anytime you need help, man.
Like every day, is that good?
Yeah, exactly. Every single day.
Yeah. It's
Come
about
out here
right.
and help you with these stupid rockers that just keep popping off. Is this the second rocker this engine's kicked now?
And the last 5.
5,000 kilometers?
Yeah.
It's not terrible, right? For an SR.
My log tells me I got about 300 rev limit accounts. So 2 out of 300 is, it's pretty good.
It's pretty good, yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
So here you guys can see the damage.
This is where the rocker fell, and the valve tips, whatever you want to call those, have taken a bit of damage. The lobe has a bit of scarring now, but it's not on the lobe itself, so we're probably fine. What we did last time this happened is obviously get a new rocker and then grind down the edge on one of them. Like over here, you can see right here, this part has been ground down with a grinder, because what you do with SRs, because they do this all the time, is you take the keepers. Where are the keepers?
They're in place already.
Oh, they're already in place. Okay, so you see these keepers over here. That's the keeper. In a normal SR, there's one that has that groove and another one that's just flat. So what we do is we take we have a second pair, and we cut we get a second cut keeper, so that we can have two keepers that are going to hold this in place so it doesn't vibrate off like all these rockers do. So it still happens. It's not a foolproof job, but you know, I think it probably did a good job, because out of 300 rev limits, he only knocked two whatever these things are called, even though I've been calling them rocker arms. So pretty good job, and so we're gonna keep doing that. And this one's already prepared, already been ground down here, so we're going to have to lift off the camshaft a little bit so we can stick the rocker in there, and then once that's done, he's good to go. We're just going to do a quick oil change, see the damage that occurred down there, and hopefully nothing really bad has happened. So yeah, exciting. So after we totally spent hours trying to get this rocker arm in, for some reason this one was way easier than doing the other one, because it really only took us like a minute or something like that. We're just gonna tighten it back down and do an oil change, and that's it. I know, anticlimactic, right? Just engine's done. Engine's blown up, man. Nope, it's fine. Took us almost no time to get that fixed.
It's not running yet.
It's true, it's not running yet, so who knows, maybe it'll go kablooey and then you guys get lots of content. But nope, that's it for now. We'll let you know how, sorry about that, let you know how things go, I guess. Okay, we are tightening a bolt just down there. Can't really see it, but it kind of holds this portion of the head to the block, and lots of oil kind of leaks out of it because it's not tight enough. And we're doing a little sketchiness here because do you need me to hold anything?
No.
He's holding a magnet, which is holding onto a 10 mil open end, because we don't want to drop it into the engine and have to do a whole oil change and then take the whole oil pan off, because that's the only way to get it out if it falls too far in the wrong direction. And he just removed the magnet like an idiot.
I needed two hands on it.
Well, that's why I'm holding
I've
this.
tightened it. You got it?
I feel like barely.
I twisted on it pretty good, so I think we just fixed our oil leak.
Really?
Yeah.
That'd be sweet, man.
That would be really sweet. It needed a little twist.
Yeah. It was leaking oil basically the entire trip and more, so hopefully that's fixed it. And we've managed to get the rocker arm on. Don't know if I said that before. Got the rocker arm on, and it's super easy. I did say that before. Why am I refilming this? Ignore me.
Well,
anyways.
people want resolve.
Well, I gave them resolve twice now. So
Make up for all the other times.
there's still going to be a resolve, and now that we're talking about it,
Oh yeah.
here is the white 240, and we did that brake job, right? So let's see. Looks dry in there. So might have fixed my brake leak. Could pop the hood and see. Yep, I don't know if you guys can see that. It is the same level. So, brake leak is fixed, which is amazing. Now, second thing that we did was front main. You guys can see that looks pretty dry.
There is something on the ground there, but
You're right, there is something on the ground there. Okay, maybe it's not perfectly fixed. I don't know.
it does look really dry though.
Doesn't it? Yeah, that's coming from the oil pan, I think.
Oh, okay.
Which is
Separate
another
issue.
problem. Because
Not nearly as bad.
I don't know if you guys have ever dealt with KAs, but, or I guess rear-wheel drive cars in general, the oil pans can be a bit of a pain to put on and off because the subframe is right there and the oil pan is right there. So you have to take the oil pan off by raising the engine, removing the oil pickup, and then pulling the pan out. And then you have to clean the whole pan, put new gasket maker on it, slide it in, put the oil the oil pickup in there with the gasket maker on the pan, and then once the pickup is in there, you tighten the pan, and you get gasket maker all over your hands. And then I tried to re-RTV it when I finished that, and it didn't do a great job. So I might be leaking a bit of oil from there. But seems like the front main is fixed, which would be amazing. Probably have to check the oil, make sure for sure, but seems like those were pretty successful. And the vibrations are way less because of those hockey pucks you see there. We added that half one, and the car feels almost like a normal car now. It's amazing. Would have been nice to have that on the road trip, but check that out, by the way. All right, here we are again. We just finished oil change and got the bell cover back on. About ready to start it up. Hopefully everything is a-okays. It didn't look like there was anything majorly bad in the oil. So hopefully we're doing okay on that. No oil rings or anything like that damaged, hopefully. Yeah. Looks like it burns oil, but I'm actually wondering if a lot of the look is actually from No Cat. I don't know. No Cat looks pretty dirty. We'll see. Only time will tell. Okay. Okay, is she gonna blow up or not? Seems alright. Not really?